Hello friends, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video, I am going to share you some tips and tricks about how to create our drawing room so gorgeous. So let's get started the video. Number 1. Choose a cohesive color scheme. Opt for colors that complement each other and align your with taste. Consider using a mix of natural with one or two accent color to create depth and interest. Number 2. Focus on furniture arrangement. Arrange furniture is a way that promotes conversation and flow. Create a focal point, such as a fireplace or a piece of art, and arrange setting around it. Number 3. Balance scale and proportion. Ensure your furniture and decor items are appropriately sizes to the shape. Mix larger statement piece with a smaller asset for virtual balance. Number 4. Include system prices. Invest in one or two standout furniture pieces or decor item that reflects your style and personality. This can be a unique coffee table, a stick rack, or a piece of art. Number 5. Layer textures and materials. Mix textures like wood, metal, glass, and fabrics add dimension to the room. For example, pair a plush sofa with a sleek coffee table and textured rack. Number 6. Utilize livelihood efficiency. Lighting and density change the ambience of a room. Incorporate a mix of ambient dusk and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Number 7. Add greenery and nature implements. Plants and flowers bring life and freshness to a room. Choose plants that thrive indoors and fit to lighting content of your drawing room. Number 8. Accessorize thousandly. Display decor items that reflect your intention and style but avoid cutting surface. Group item in odd number and vary height for virtual interest. Number 9. Consider the layout. Think about how you use the room and arrange furniture accordingly. Ensure there's enough space for movement and the pages are clear. Number 10. Personalize with artwork and personal touches. Hang artwork or photographs that inspire you or evoke positive emotions. Personal touches like books, servants, or family heirlooms can make the space feel more inviting. Number 11. Keep it originalized. Clutter can detract from a room's beauty. Invest in a strong solution like basket or decorative boxes to keep everyday items nearly tucked away. Number 12. Regularly update and refresh. Over time, update your space with a new according or revamped furniture to keep the room feeling fresh and inspiring. Thank you for staying with me. Please subscribe. Thank you.